Yes, sir. Locka Gang, Locka Gang. Let's get right into it. Now, you guys already knew this video was coming. The problem with combing out your dreadlocks. Ooh, this finna be so good. But I honestly didn't know how I wanted to approach this, okay? Did I really want to talk about the problems of combing out your dreadlocks? Did I want to encourage you guys to not comb out your dreadlocks? Or did I want to be transparent with you guys and be honest about my personal lock journey, about me combing out my locks? Wait, you said what? You gotta comb out your locks too? Maybe, but let me explain. A long time ago, I already fantasized the idea of me combing out my dreadlocks. Let's look back 2 years ago. Combing out the dreadlocks. Because I was, the possibilities are, it's endless. Like, I could comb it out and I could restart my dreadlocks. And that's more appealing to me than anything because you guys know I want thicker locks. Now, what you guys just saw was 2 years ago, right after I cut off my locks. For all my OG subscribers, you guys know your boy was swanging out here with the locks. So don't be in the comment box down below talking about, oh man, he just wants to be like Up to the Great. He wants to be like Activerse. No, I always thought about combing out my dreadlocks, little bitch.
Oh my God.
My bad, man. I ain't mean to like come at you like that, man. Some of you guys, y'all be wild in the comments box down below, man. Sometimes I gotta get it off my chest, but you know, I love you. All of you. Locka Gang. I love you. Pause. And that gets me into the second part of this video is the real problem with combing out your dreadlocks, okay? First off, combing out your dreadlocks is a long ass process, okay? I've seen plenty of YouTubers and TikTokers from my last video saying like, just to take out one lock would take a good hour. I have 90 some locks. That's 90 some hours. I'm not fading that, all right? Even if I go to a loctician, there is no promise that that loctician is going to sit there and want to take out my locks for 90 some hours. I can only imagine how much that woman is gonna charge me. Don't get me wrong. YouTube does pay a little bit of dollars, but I ain't spending that much money on my hair. I'm gonna be real. You're gonna be out of the gang. I'm not gonna lie to you, okay? If I'm gonna be out the gang, your ass is gonna be out the gang too, okay? And you're not committed no more. You're not dedicated to the journey no more. You on your own journey, good for you. But as far as the dreadhead community, we don't even see you, man. Like, we can't see you no more. Another problem that you're gonna endure when you comb out your dreadlock is shrinkage, okay? Whatever length that you got going on right now, man, you can cut that off by half, okay? Half. It's just like when girls start working out, and they got the nice assets, they got the chest, they got the booty, but as soon as they hit the gym, they lose all their assets. And they talking about, oh man, I thought working out was gonna make me look good. Nah, shorty, that was all fat, just like your dreadlocks, okay? When you start combing out your dreadlocks, man, all the dead hair that's matted up, out the window, okay? So just imagine you combing out your dreadlocks and you was like, oh man, I'm gonna get braids now. Ain't got no hang time all in your neck ass, boy. You're not gonna have no hang time. You're gonna experience shrinkage. And you finally got to the point where you have your locks swanging. It ain't gonna be no more. But no, I always wanted to comb out my dreadlocks for the simple fact that if I knew then what I knew now, man, my dreadlocks would be so elite right now. You guys know, I want thicker locks, okay? So I was saying to myself, the only way I can get myself thicker locks was for me to comb out my dreadlocks because me cutting off my dreadlocks all the way was a no-go, okay? So I always thought to myself, like, you know what if I just combed out my dreadlocks and start a brand new set of locks? But the fear came in. The fear came in like, Vinny, one, you are the CEO of Locka Gang, Locka Gang. I would be committing fraud. That was one of the biggest fears. Like, my whole channel is about lockers, my lockers. What if I actually combed out my locks? Yeah, you'll be a bitch. You'll be a bitch. I'm not gonna lie. Now, don't get me wrong. The thought of me combing out my dreadlocks is always gonna be there. Just like if I really did comb out my locks, what if I actually like the look of me not having locks, What if I might like the look of cornrows or just twists, but not being committed to the lock journey? All right, so I'm gonna be honest with you guys. combing out your dreadlocks is really not a bad thing. And at the end of the day, yo, do what you want to do. It's your hair, it's your journey. Do what you want to do. But if you want to stay with the Locka Gang, yo, keep your dreadlocks, man. I appreciate who you are. I appreciate your lock journey. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. Yeah, I thought about, combing out my dreadlocks. But in the end of the day, yeah, I'm gonna just keep it for what it is. I do like my dreadlocks, and I hope you stay to the end of the video to know that. So with that being said, go ahead and hit the like button if you enjoyed this type of video. Leave the lock emoji in the comment box down below. And until the next video, guys, my name is Vinny Matthews. My dreadlocks are staying. Don't worry. I apologize if I wound you up. I'm out. Yes, sir. Locka Gang. I see you. Let's get right into it. Yes, sir. Locka Gang. Yes, sir. Locka Gang. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.